Base 1, Vocabulary 1, Lexical Resources. Listen to the translation of the words, repeat them, and listen to the examples.
Base 1, Vocabulary 1, Lexical Resources. Listen to the translation of the words, repeat them, and listen to the examples. Number 1. Anxious. نگران مشوش. Adjective. When a person is anxious, they worry that something bad will happen. Example. She was anxious about not making her appointment on time.
Number 2. Awful. بسیار bad. Adjective. When something is awful, it is very bad. Example. Her performance last night was awful.
Number 3. Consist. متشکل بودن است. Verb. To consist of is to be made of parts or things. Example. Today's choices for lunch consisted of pizza, hamburgers, and hot dogs.
Number 4. Desire. خواستن. Verb. To desire is to want something. Example. My sister desires a big house and lots of money.
Number 5. Eager. مشتاق. Adjective. When a person is eager about something, they're excited about it. Example. The man was eager to talk about the good news.
Number 6. Household. خانواده. Noun. A household is all the people who live in one house. Example. Our household is made up of my father, my mother, and me.
Number 7. Intent. قصد یا نیت. Noun. An intent is a plan to do something. Example. Her intent is to visit Italy next summer.
Number 8. Landscape. دورنما یا منظره. Noun. A landscape is how an area of land looks. Example. The landscape of the country is very green.
Number 9. Lift. بلند کردن. Verb. To lift something is to move it higher. Example. The man tried to lift the box.
Number 10. Load. بار کردن. Verb. To load is to put objects into something. Example. The man loaded the boxes into a truck.
Number 11. Lung. Shush یا ریه. Noun. A lung is the organ in the body that fills with air when breathing. Example. Having strong lungs is necessary for a healthy life.
Number 12. Motion. حرکت. Noun. A motion is a movement that someone makes. Example. The police officer made a motion with his hand.
Number 13. Pace. سرعت. Noun. The pace of something is the speed at which it happens. Example. I ran the race at a slower pace than my friend.
Number 14. Polite. با ادب. Adjective. When someone is polite, they are acting in a thoughtful way. Example. The boy was very polite. He behaved very thoughtfully.
Number 15. Possess. داشتن. Verb. To possess something is to have it or own it. Example. My uncle possesses 3 sheep, a chicken, a cow, and a dog.
Number 16. Rapidly. بسرعت. Adverb. When something happens rapidly, it happens very fast. Example. The train moved rapidly on the tracks.
Number 17. Remark. اظهار کردن. گفتن. Verb. To remark is to say something. Example. The teacher remarked on how quickly the students were learning.
Number 18. Seek. جستجو کردن. Verb. To seek is to look for something. Example. If I have a problem, I seek my sister's advice.
19. Shine. تابیدن. درخشیدن. Verb. To shine is to make a bright light. Example. The candles are shining in the dark room.
Number 20. Spill. مایعات ریختن. Verb. To spill is to have something fall out of its container. Example. I spilled the coffee on the table.